picking up where I left off after that there 20-minute video. I didn't realize I was on there that long. Man, if you haven't tried this cherry freaking Red Bull, you do not know what you're missing, yo. Delicious. Alright. So, this is a little garlic pepper. I told you I like the garlic, y'all. And then, oh, there it is right there. This is called a veggie rub. Never used it, but it's by Kinder's, and oh my god, Kinder's is amazing. I do love Kinder's. I am not sponsored, however, I would love to be. At Kinder's. Delicioso. Man, this smells good. Alright, so we got this veggie rub. We're going to put a little bit of that on there. Just a little sprinkle. We need some music up in the background here. Alright, sprinkle on that. Let's see what else we got here. We'll do a little pepper. Because we don't love some pepper. Actually, I like fresh ground, but much easier. Some onion powder, even though there's onion in there. Just a little bit. And then we will do a little Saison Complete. It was like everything. See, got a little everything in it. And I like it. So, there we are with that. Okay. Get out of there. Get out of there. Put these on the top. Alright, so that back over there for a minute. And then, oh doggy. Oh, good Lord, excuse me. That's that Red Bull. All that yummy stuff coming out of me. Alright, so, well, turn this here pan around. And then I'll grab, oh yeah. Grab this here cord. And then move this up this way a little bit. Now I will unplug the Frigidaire. Plug in the cooker. There we are. And wait for the magic. Alrighty, y'all. So I'm gonna get to cooking here, and I'll give you an update very soon. Very soon.